Chocolate chip cookies are always a hit. And did you know that it's possible to make them without any dairy, eggs, or even refined sugar? Hi, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Christine, and today I'm going to share with you my recipe for date-sweetened vegan chocolate chip cookies. They're also gluten-free. They're as healthy as a chocolate chip gets, but still delicious. So let's get started. To make our chocolate chip cookie bars, first we're going to add the dry ingredients. So I have 1/4 cup of gluten-free rolled oats, 1/8 teaspoon sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add 1/3 packed cup of dates that have been pitted. And I also chopped them up. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of almond butter. No fancy equipment here, I'm just using a good old-fashioned fork to stir it all together. And you can kind of mash the dates as you go. You'll notice that your cookie dough thickens up a little bit the more you keep mushing around the dates. Add 1/3 cup chocolate chips, or in my case, I'm using carob chips. And stir these into the cookie dough. At this point, you can chill your dough for 10 minutes in the refrigerator. That does help to make crispier cookies. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and form your cookies. I'm using a tablespoon size mini ice cream scoop to portion out nice even amounts of dough. And then just roll them into little balls and kind of flatten it down to make a nice cookie shape, because these won't spread much, so you kind of have to shape it into the cookie shape you want it to take on. If you want it flatter, feel free to make it a little flatter, but something like that. My oven is preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and this baking sheet is lined with some parchment paper. I love that this recipe is only sweetened with dates, no refined sugar. Okay, ready for the oven. And now I'm going to bake them in the 350 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for 12 to 14 minutes. I hope this video inspires you to try making your own batch of date-sweetened vegan chocolate chip cookies. Comment below what your favorite type of cookie is. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. When you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll find out about new cooking videos when they come out. Thanks for watching, and see you soon!